Alright, so Mike and I are out taking a walk. We're on the bird trail here in Gulf Shores on Fort Morgan. So this is just kind of our little adventure, things we like to do. I'm going to take you with me. Mike says there's an old structure down here. So let's just see if we can find it. There's a lot of old structures down here on Fort Morgan. This place was, you know, a lot going on. Battles and all kinds of stuff. Is my camera not, it's not jiggly, is it? Okay. Tripods sometimes can be crazy. It's hot out, but at least we're not getting eaten up with mosquitoes. Hopefully we don't get no yellow flies. Those things are horrible. I love nature. I need to watch where I'm walking because, you know, there are snakes. Mike's got the EMF reader in his hand. You know, I'm not really trying to do like any kind of paranormal stuff, but there is a lot of history out here with soldiers and death and just all that. So it's possible. Because like I said, we're right here at the fort. We're just in the woods here on this trail. And I believe this land was also used during that time. Oh, we're stuck?
Oh, no, we go this way.
We're not stuck, but it's kind of like a dead end. And do a detour. Nice. I just thought I'd film this. I was going to do it anyway, so I thought I might as well film it. I mean, some of you guys might enjoy this. I don't know. It's just some of the things I like to do when I'm not doing houses. Ooh, climbing cliffs. Kind of a dead end. Kind of dangerous. Okay, let me put down. Oh, good old dragonfly, so cute. I don't know where he went. Somewhere. We ain't lost already. This ain't another Blair Witch, is it? I'm just joking. I feel something on me.
Alright, we have to go back in the regular trail entrance to get started. These are all kind of overgrown. We can pause it and we'll start back up on the trail.
Alright, guys. Let's do that. Just, I'll wait till we find the actual trail that we're looking for, and I'll bring you back. Alright, guys, so we're walking along this way down Fort Morgan Road. There's a lot more traffic on this little road than you think. It's 22 miles long. It's a dead end. It leads to the ferry and to the end of the fort, but this road is very, very busy. This is part of the fort. The biggest part is back there, but I've explored this fort over here, Battery Dearborn. And so I've explored this so many times. I'm doing this video, babe. I'm making a video. And so this is where we've explored many times. I'm not going there right now today. But instead I'm going over here to this is the actual bird trail. The other trail, I'm not so sure about that. This one's actually like brick walkway. It's really hot. I'm sorry if I'm breathing really heavy, but it is hot. Alabama Coastal Birding Trail. Says that right there. Sorry, I don't know why I'm shaking. Okay. Ooh, I have sweat in my eyeball. Oh, probably shouldn't have worn mascara today. Yeah, there's a lot of old stone structure, all kinds of structure. Definitely it was something. I don't know what. She's got the EMF reader, just kind of seeing if we pick up anything at all. Because I'm sure this was active. I mean, look, we're this close to the forts. I'm sure the soldiers back then, they probably took, you know, some time off to get out in nature. There's water out past the woods there. I'm sure that, you know, they did, when they weren't during battle, they were probably, their way of relaxing was to just get out here and just get out. I don't really know, but I would assume so. Oh, you know, it was so hot. I'm wearing a tank top and shorts right now, and I'm sweating to death. Oh, gosh. They were, what, 91 degrees? I know that's not terribly, terribly hot. It's pretty hot here because we have a crazy heat. What is it? Oh, no. Is that a yellow fly? Let me get my cutter spray out. Oh, fog it. That's one of the worst things about this part of year, trying to get out and explore, is the yellow flies, because they're so bad. No overnight camping allowed within seawall. Okay. It feels like 102 is what the forecast weather says. I'm gonna look like a raccoon by the time I leave. I really shouldn't have worn mascara. I wasn't really sure if I was going to explore. I kind of had it. I brought my bag of equipment just in case, but I really just wanted to get out and try to enjoy today. Yesterday was more of a work catch-up day because we had to get some things around the house done, laundry and all that. So today's more of a fun day. There's little benches here. I want to stop. And this is honoring Bob and Martha, Sergeant, co-founders. See, Bird Study Group, Master Bird, Banders, and Teachers, Fort Morgan. Let's see, Alabama. Okay, see that?
Oh, it feels good.
The breeze, when you're so sweaty, the air feels. Oh, you putting it out of the cooler? I got a cooler there. Here, give me a piece of. Give me a piece of. Okay.
Here.
Where? Ooh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oof. Feels good. It's hot. So what's the actual temperature? It says it feels like 102. 91, but it feels like 102. Wow. What, babe? I know. It's wow hot. I'll probably post this. Honestly, I was just going to make this just for my own, but I figure if I'm going to be out doing anything, I might as well record it. I mean, you like it, watch it. If not, that's fine too. You know, I do what I like to do, and if you like it, great. If not, great too. Everyone has different preferences. Okay. Really? I see it now. Wow, there's something there. Oh, gotta be careful. There's a lot of vines and stuff. Oh, this shade, y'all, it's like everything. I'm gonna stand right here for a second. Yeah. If I can zoom it in.
We were able to go up in there.
I know. Wonder what all this was, you know? It had been for something.
Yeah.
Look how sweaty I am. My face. Oh my gosh.
Earlier she could have gotten in there. So it was like this whole structure
I know.
like that everywhere. It's pretty big. Can't really get in there because of all the vines and stuff. All this was part of it. Look, this is a whole piece that goes down all the way to the trees. So see it kind of sticking up? It goes that way too.
It's just covered so much with pine needles.
This is all something here, a building, because that's like part of the...
I can see that. I want to take them down the wall. I can't remember if I've ever took them down the wall. The wall was one of our favorite places, you know, just to get out and just relax, because it's just a mosquito trying to get off me. Nice place to go and just relax. And I highly believe that, you know, that was also probably a spot that these soldiers probably took to just get away. I mean, why not? I mean, to get to the water. I'll show you when we get there. Yeah, guys, I'm going to pause this right now. And I'll bring you back when we get closer to the wall, and we'll take it together. Alright, guys. So, we just come out the trail, past the fort. This is ending the fort right about here. And we're going to come up to the seawall, which is one of my favorite places. I mean, I love the whole fort. But when I'm not going into the fort to explore, what I normally like to do, I just like to enjoy my day out here on the seawall. It's really nice. And we're almost there. Down this road, this is called Burke Road. It leads out to like a beach. There's lots of beaches everywhere out through here. I think my tripod's shaking. I'm not too bad. Anyway, here we go. This is the seawall. And I love it. So, let's see what we come across.
A little fort that somebody built.
I hope it's still there. Yeah, somebody built like a little fort down there. It's pretty cool.
Kind of walk up a tree to get on it.
I love walking this wall and getting to the end and then seeing. Yeah. Is there something biting my leg? Okay, no.
Check for ticks.
Yeah.
I had one on me earlier.
Am I zoomed in too much? Just a little, but not too much. Okay. I have a habit of that. Well, you know, if you know, you know. It's alright. This is my favorite spot. I always tell Mike, if I could just like place a home somewhere, it'd be right there in that spot. I don't know why, but I just love it. I think it's beautiful. I feel like it's a little prairie land. I don't know.
Shade spot, shade spot.
Yeah. So I'm kind of just showing you what I see.
Living in the desert.
What'd you say?
Imagine living in the desert.
I swear I know.
You gotta wear a whole face covering to keep from burning up.
No, I can't imagine. I mean, it's hot, and we're not even in a desert.
so dry. The reason why they wear all that is so it catches your sweat and keeps you cool.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Well, that is true. If you're wet, you feel cooler than you are. Yeah.
You die. And you see them wearing all that face wrap and all
And you think, oh my gosh, aren't they like so hot?
Well, it's so hot to not wear anything, it just burn you up.
Kind of dry out?
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes
That's why
sense.
they wear all that so it catches their sweat and keeps them,
Yeah, that makes sense.
damp.
I hear the water. I really want to go get in it. I should have worn my bathing suit under my clothes. I definitely would have gotten the water.
Okay.
It's the water.
Big waves?
Yes. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's a little overgrown, but it's kind of charming at the same time. It's step, 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 don't fall. Oof. All right, here we go. Here we are. We're coming to it. That's what they call it a seawall for. We're coming to the sea. Well, there was people at the ferry. One was at the end of the fort waiting to get on, so that's probably where all that is coming from. Oh, look at that little plant. All those weird little green balls on, whatever that is. It's got a lot of beautiful plants around here. Came from there. And here we are. Oh, look. Look at those beautiful, it's like morning glories. Beautiful flowers. Oh, look, and here's the purple ones. Oh, wow. I love that so much. Here we are. This is where we come and get a lot of, if you ever watched my driftwood collection video, you should, but if you want to. But this is where I get most of my driftwood. I like to come out here. And a lot of...
Sally created this.
Oh, yeah.
It wasn't barely anything there before.
But, this is a nice place to get away. As you can see, there's nobody here.
You want to get down and walk over there or not?
Yeah, we can.
If I want to.
I'm really got to take a small break. So let's just take a small break. And then when we trek down here, I'll take you along the beach. And we'll explore that together. And you can enjoy that along with me. Alright, guys. I'm just going to sit here and relax for a minute. I'll let you sit here and just watch and see what I see. I need to take a small break. It's hot. Fixing to go down this wall, and we're going to take you out further. I thought since I was sitting here enjoying this sound and all this beauty, I'll let you do it too. See? It's just so beautiful. So enjoy it. Another minute or two. I don't even know why I'm sitting directly in the sun. There's a shade right here. That's really big, and that stuff is so good. It's like, I swear, from the sun, 2 steps over, it's like 3-4 degrees difference. I'm telling you, it's hot, so. I know. That breeze. Oh, there's that breeze. Feels so good.
About that water, maybe cool off if there's supposed to be okay water. And go on the other side, it's a lot clearer on the Gulf.
We usually go all the way down to the end of the wall and just sit there. There's no shade. We gotta take advantage of every little piece of shade we can find because it's just really, really hot. I'm fixing to take you out there. Just give me a moment. Let's enjoy this. I know, we gotta get down this wall. It's kind of a slope there. We've come down it many times. We can get down it, it's no problem. We gotta be careful. I mean, it ain't that, but like 5 or 6 foot off the ground, but I wouldn't want to fall off of this wall. I love the sounds of nature as well. You hear that? And they call those cicadas. They look like giant flies. Coming. I'm going to pause you while I struggle down the wall, and then I'll pick you back up on the... Yeah, I'm going to grab it. Alright, guys. I made it off the wall. That's where I was. Right there. And now, we're right here. Am I zoomed in too much? There we go. I almost want to just take my shoes off. I should have worn flip-flops, but I want to get in that water. It's hot. It's really hard to see with the brightness of the sand and the sun in my eyes. I can see. I hope you can see as well as I can. I love to come out here and find, this is where I get my driftwood. So much stuff gets pushed up here onto the beach. I got sweat in my eyeball right there. Oh, God, it burns. Whew, it's hot. Isn't that cool? It smells so fishy out here. Huh? Wow, what's happened? Look at this. Alright, so I guess I am going to take my shoes off. Whew. Okay. You guys can look at that while I take my shoes off. Whew. Can't wait to get my feet in the water. So excited. Here we go. Okay. Get you guys a drink. Going. Oh, yeah. Oh, the water. Okay. Look. Oh, this is so refreshing. We can see a fish jump out of the water. The water is not that cold, but I'm not gonna lie, it still feels good. I don't care. I would splash it on my face, but there's salt in it, and I'll just burn my eyes. It's... Whew. Look at that. We got a stingray? Oh, let's see. Okay. Here, hold that.
See the colors in it? It's a big.
Can you guys see it? Oh, God. Did you see the stingray? I hope you did. I tried to get there and it moved, but I'm not chasing it because, well, they don't call them stingrays for nothing. I don't want to step on one. zoom back out again though. See if we can find another one. We found like two big ones that were way bigger than that one day. We were in our kayak. We floated right over top of them. Am I still? Yes, I'm still recording. Okay. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Let's look around. That eerie little thing. I love this. Look, we're all by ourselves. These trees. Oh crap, another one? What? Stop scaring them away. Oh, the crab ran it off?
Well, I scared the crab, I guess. It took off and hit the stingray. And the stingray
That looks like a snake, doesn't it? But it's not. It's not a snake. So the stingrays are out, but that's because the water's so warm. And also, when the water's warm, you got to watch out for jellyfish, because jellyfish love the warmer waters. Yeah. Oh wait, there's the fort someone built. That's right. Here we are. Yeah, I just took my shoes off. And they're all the way back there. Here's a fort someone built. Isn't that neat? Let's get up there and just chill. Try to zoom it in a little. Too much, but yeah. Or you can climb up that tree. Get up in there. However, pretty cool. What?
Damn, it's kind of murky right there.
The crab?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. I don't know if you can see them in the water though. It's hard to see.
Let's go a little further down, see if we can find another
Oh God, what is that? That's an old rope? Dude, that's a big one. Jesus. Look. Look at these beautiful morning glories. I love these things. Isn't it gorgeous? Let me just catch this. Look at this, y'all. It's getting a little rough out there. Yeah. I love this so much. Look at that. Wow. So awesome. Here's the little fort someone built. Look at that. Ooh. You can find the best pieces of driftwood out here. I found so much. I love to collect. Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. Those are oil rigs back there. We have a lot of those. See? And there's another one back there. Oh, my eyes burning. Sweat. And there's that seawall. You know, I told you we go to the end, but I just wanted to bring you out here. I don't think I've ever brought you here. No, I haven't. This is one of the places we like to go to get away. It's beautiful. I love the sound of, you know, water hitting the shore. I could go to sleep to that. So relaxing. Wow, guys. Whew. Love it so much. I know it is. But this water on my feet. Did you grab my shoes? Oh, here they are. I saw your shoes. I was like, where's mine? Okay. All right? Ah, I bet that felt good. Look at this. I'm gonna sit right here on this beach and just stick my feet in the water and just sit. Just total serenity. Love it. Can't get enough of it. Make sure I don't get my bag wet. My equipment bag. It's got all my equipment in it. Is that seaweed? I don't know. I don't know. Really? Oh, probably too small for you guys to see. Pick one up. Is that one right there?
Yeah.
This one?
No, that one, that is.
Here we go. There's a little hermit in there. They're all over. Wait a minute. In here? Looks like a sea snail. Is it? Sometimes hermit crabs will live in sea snails because when they grow out of their shells, they'll go to. Yep, I see his little legs. Yep, he's in there. Let's put him back. There you go, buddy. Go back. They'll inhabit any other shell that they can fit into, even if it's not their own. What's that? What is that thing? Oh, it's just seaweed or something. Now, that is kind of dragon. Yeah, it's a dragon with a horn sticking out and an eyeball. See that eyeball? Little mouth. Ooh, creepy. It's Falcor. If you know that movie, then you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, then you don't. You put your shoes on? don't know if I want to put my shoes on with wet feet. Give me a blister.
Okay, well, what do you want to do?
I'll
Put
just...
some socks in there. You gotta dry. You can wipe your feet off with.
Okay.
Wet your feet.
I'm at 31 minutes in, so I'll walk you guys off the wall, and then I'll close it all at the end. All right, be right back. All right, guys. I'm back off that beach, and it's hot. We gotta get to the shade right now. Right here. Okay, let's take it easy for a minute. Whew. We found some shady spots. When you're out there in that hot heat and there's no shade at all, you gotta be real careful. It can get really intense. But yeah, that's where we came from. All the beautiful water and everything.
Every day, but we're in shade.
This shade is everything. I mean, you gotta watch out. Let's go sit on these steps right here and just take a moment. Sit here. You know, I remember about a year ago, me and Mike was doing this and I was recording it. And I had not even been really posting on my YouTube or nothing. I wasn't even serious about YouTube. I think I posted 2 videos, my little raccoon video and my little cat video. I was not even trying to do this. And he was like, it's so funny because I was recording and I was like, look guys, and there was nobody but me and Mike, and he was like, what are you doing, a YouTube channel? And I was like, no. I said, you know, I don't think I could do that. Well, look at me now. I'm out here making videos for YouTube. But yeah, I enjoy it. There's a lot that goes with it. A lot. Just take a moment to breathe and get some cool air. It'll be smart. Kick the AC on, I know. Well, I wanted to kind of give them a, you know, an outage. So, you know, I brought you in. We're going to take it back out. This is what I like. This is nice. I heard something scurrying in the leaves. It's like a jungle out here. I love those little things they call sawmill palmettos. Some kind of a, I don't know, a palm. A type of palm. I love palm trees. But there's different types. Not just one. So my phone just showed me that one file was full, so it switched me over to the second, so it's going to split my video, which is fine. I can just merge it together. It's no problem. You know, I don't know. I don't know why my phone acts like it just can't handle no memory. It can't hold a whole lot of storage or something. I'm not sure, but I always make it through and work it out. Is it a yellow fly? Okay, let's get going quicker. Quick like a bunny. Did you ever watch that movie? If you know where that came from, then you'll know where it came from. If you don't, then you don't. I love that. Yellow flies are no joke. They are seriously like little vampires. They have no remorse whatsoever. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are smart. I see it flying around your leg, babe. It's not trying to get your left leg. You better stay away from me because I know karate. Not really, I don't know karate, but I will learn it real quick. I promise. Is he still trying to get you? Wonder why he don't want me. Thank God. All right, we're heading back out to the car. So we made it out of the wall, which is down there. Now I gotta take this road back down to the end of the fort where we started, where we had to park our car because it was so full over here where we usually park that we just had nowhere to park. Look at these beautiful orange flowers. I have to show these. Look. Aren't these beautiful? Hummingbirds love those because they got those long beaks. And they like plants, like flowers like that. They stick their beaks in, you know? Those are really cute. I like those. But couldn't park there because it said no. You can't park here. That's okay. We're getting our exercise. Sweating is good for you. Helps detoxify your body. And all that. Not too much, but yeah. I think I'm to the point where it's between enough right before it gets to too much. Because I'm ready to get in some air conditioning. It's really, really, really hot. And my feet are hurting because I had to put my feet back in these stupid shoes. What is on me? Oh, a cactus. Look. Got a freaking cactus stuck to my shoe. Can you get it? Goodness gracious. Just imagine. Good thing I wasn't wearing my flip-flops. That's why I wasn't wearing my flip-flops, y'all. Because you don't want to walk in these kind of grasses. There's sand spurs, cactus, and it hurts. Really bad. So I try to be smart when I think I might be going out in the grasses or at all. But what I was saying is, yeah, I put my shoes back on after I got out of the water, my feet out of the water, and I couldn't get all the sand off, so I kind of feel like I've got sandpaper rubbing against my toes, and it doesn't feel good. It's okay. I got this. But over here, I'm passing the fort. I've taken you here before many times. Many times. See if I can zoom in a little bit. See? I know I can't see very well, but I hope you can see better than I can. But we've been in there. There's the Battery Dearborn we've been to. And the two little, look like watch houses. If you've seen any of my videos or know anything about my videos, then you'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't, go back and watch my videos. They're not bad. If you like them, subscribe, please. That would be wonderful. But I love this place. This is one of my most favorite places to explore. I've actually had some reactions here. That's why I always keep coming back. It's hard not to. Anyway, let's... Oop, I hear the fairy horn. Did you hear that? Hear that cicada up there? There's a cicada up there somewhere. I called it a cicada. That's funny. Whew. Wow, it's hot. I didn't show all this walking before my video where I was taking you from one spot to the other, but now I'm taking you with me. This is the trek. It's not that bad. I mean, it's not like I'm having to go through the woods or anything. It's just hotter. It's just hot.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. What'd he say? Oh, a store. Oh, okay. Ooh, wee. It's going to be a drive. Not too bad, but I mean, you know, on that little bike. Whew. Some more of that fort over there. Oh, that breeze feels so amazing. I'm not even kidding. Oh, that feels so good. You think this road is busy, but I'll tell you, it ends not very far up ahead. People will fly through here.
35 here, not 60.
I don't know where they're going so quick. Well, they're to the ferry, obviously. I guess they're trying to get to the ferry. It's got to be that. Because they ain't going to go no further at that speed unless you're going to go off into the water. There's nowhere to go. Unless you're going into the fort, but Shoot. Oh my gosh. There's so much land. There's no telling what I could actually pick up not seeing it, because I'm telling you, this land was very occupied. And there's that one building way back there that I didn't explore with. I told you, I can't remember the name of the video, but I didn't know what it was. If you go back and look at the video, it'll tell, I showed you a sign at the end. It explained exactly what the purpose of that video was, or that building. But at the moment, I mean, I've done so many videos, I can't remember the name of that one.
Where they stored gunpowder and stuff.
Oh, they stored gunpowder there? Yeah. Okay. But yeah, there's so much out here. You really can't explore it all in one day. It's so hot. I'm so sorry if I'm breathing too loud. But this is, it's pretty hot. I'm drenched. I feel sorry for anybody that doesn't have air conditioning. I really do. I mean, I know we lived so long without it, but God, if you've ever had it in your life, you know what it's like to not have it. It's pretty bad. There's some woods. No trespassing sign back there. Never been back there. We're coming up to where, if you ever saw my ferry video, this is where we had to come. And you sit here and you wait for the ferry, and it comes and takes you across to Mobile or Dolphin Island or wherever. We went to Dolphin Island in that video, if you want to watch that one, where we installed a bimini top on Dolphin Island. That was good. That's something different.
Get a metal detector.
I would love to get it. I told you already before I want to get a metal detector. That would be awesome. Am I zoomed in too much? Well, of course I am. There we go. But, yeah. We are almost there, guys. Almost to my car. Yeah. Hello. That's where you get the ferry ride there. Oh, God. All right. Got the car keys out of the bag. Let's see here. See water and stuff? Anything cool? There's a lot of people around. They probably think I'm crazy, but hey, I don't care. Yeah. There's a lot of people out here. A lot of people on the water. There's the oil rig I was talking about. My feet hurt. I know it's the sand rubbing around between my toes. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Hey, guys, I'm back. This is going to be my outro. I'm sweaty. I'm sorry. But I just brought you back for my little tour down the seawall and here on Fort Morgan. My favorite places, I told you already. But I hope you enjoyed this, you know, by the beach and show you some of my favorite spots. It's really hot. I'm sorry I look like this. But you know what? It's all worth it. I do it for us. Please like and share. And if you're not subscribed, just do it. Thank you.